Good morning, my friend. I hope you're having a fantastic start of the day. Welcome to my bedroom where diamonds are everywhere. Today I'm going to talk to you about doTERRA February incentive and freebies and how you can get free oils, but also how you're going to start well with doTERRA. So I'm here to explain to you the offer for February, but in general, what to do if you want to really get on the wellness journey with doTERRA. So for February, we have an incentive, which is if you want to start with doTERRA and getting a kit. A kit is a bundle of a lot of different oils plus a diffuser sometimes, and you can get 2 free oils, which are kumquat and red mandarin for 100 PV. So PV stands for point value. So each product in doTERRA has got a point value, and with a kit that has 100 PV or an order that has 100 PV, you get 2 free oils, kumquat and red mandarin. So for 100 PV, I would suggest usually either you have a selection of oils that you want to put in your order, or for example you can start with a home essential kit which has the 10 most popular essential oils, and a diffuser. So you're already set with using your oils 3 ways. So if you have an order of 100 PV, you can have 2 free oils, and kumquat and red mandarin are citrus oil. Kumquat is like a small olive. It's a very, very tiny little orange, as small as an olive, and it has about 70% to 95% of a compound called limonene. And limonene is something that it's absolutely amazing to uplift the mood, to boost emotions, and also high in antioxidants. So as powerful as frankincense and helichrysum. So very, very powerful little thing. It's a citrus oil with a twist, I would say. And then you also have red mandarin, and red mandarin is like tangerine. Again, it's a citrus oil full of limonene, full of antioxidant. The same way you uplift the mood when you have a dull moment, a pick-me-up oil. It's a great way to have this. So for 100 PV order, you can get this 2 free oil. If you start with a 200 PV order, you get Serenity as well as these 2 oils. So 3 free oils to say thank you for starting with us with doTERRA. And Serenity is one of my favorite oil or blend to use for sleep, for relaxation, for calming my emotions. And it has vanilla, cedarwood, it has ylang ylang, it has vetiver, marjoram. You can just imagine the blend here. Absolutely amazing. It's 15 mils as well. I just want to show you quickly my little treasure shelf that I love very much in my room. You can see here I've got my skincare. I love the skincare, doTERRA skincare, especially at this time of the month where everything, is attacking our skin in the morning. It's very, very cold. And I also have my skincare for my shower gel. I have all my oils here. I have my diffuser. I just have everything I love, my books, my collection. So this is a very beautiful self-love corner that I use very much every morning and every night. And also during the day, I love spending time in my bedroom. So now I'm going to talk to you about the product of the month and the 10% off. Each month and each first of the month, doTERRA gives us a new product of the month for free for members who are on the LRP. LRP stands for the Loyalty Reward Program. It's an optional program, it's free to join, and it's the smartest way to earn points as you shop so you can redeem them for free product. It's an amazing way to buy your essential oil. This month is Lavender Touch, okay? And Lavender Touch is an amazing way to use it on your kids, on elderly, on sensitive skin, and it's very handy. You can put it in your bag, and it's diluted already. Although lavender is a very kind oil, you can use it anytime, anywhere you like, and it's very handy to have. It's beautiful, beautiful smell, great for cut bruises, for skin imperfection, for relaxation, for stress, for anxiety, for sleep, for kids, as I said. So it's amazing to use. So this time is free. And free if a member does, through the Loyalty Reward Program, 125 PV or more. So if you happen to have done 125 PV in your LRP order, then you can have they're shipped to you for free. And I'm going to talk to you about the LRP a little bit more later on. And then you've got 10% off offer. The 10% off offer goes to Passion Blend. Passion Blend is an amazing oil to have. It is part of the aromatherapy or emotional aromatherapy kit, and it's one of the oils that I use a lot after using a few of the others like Forgive and Console and Motivate, and I go to Passion. Passion is basically it. It gives you that passion that you are, wanting to burst out of your soul, because we all have a dull moment, we all have a boredom, we all have a bit of a deflated attitude. It's not that we want to do it on purpose, it's just sometimes we have a low energy and a bit blurry vision, we're not sure where we're going, and sometimes we have a goal, and there are lots of challenges that come through life, and we can't get there. So Passion is at 10% off this month. So to recap, with 100 PV you get 2 free oil, Kumquat and Red Mandarin. With 200 PV you get Kumquat, Red Mandarin and Serenity. With 10% off goes to Passion Blend, and the Lavender Touch is free with 125 PV.